All right, good afternoon, guys. How you doing? Courtney with Before and After Cleaning Service here, man. I hope you guys day are going good, man, on this beautiful Thursday, man. It's about 65 degrees where I'm at. It feel pretty good out here today, man. The wind blowing kind of good. The wind blowing pretty smooth here, man. You know, we got, no clouds in the air, man. The sun is out, man. It feels great out here, man. I see a lot of people around me that's offloading scrap metal, man. Look to be in pretty high spirit, man. So that's a great thing. Anyway, well, show you guys what I have on the trailer here. Alrighty, guys, if you can see, I got everything out over here onto the ground there. One or two boxes there, not something big, no biggie at all, Got everything onto the ground. I don't really think anything that I had on the trailer, they had too much wires. There's some wires right here. I'm probably gonna get my cutters. Oh yeah, get my cutters. Cut these. There we go. I'll take these wires. Yes, I definitely use the wires right there. Let me see. We're gonna walk over here. And just take this metal off of this. And they got some nice little pieces of copper in the inside. So I'm gonna bust this open. I don't have my drill gun on me. The drill gun is at home. So figured I'd do it while I'm here. Down in there and get them open. Now these rivet screws are the hardest screws. They kind of come out of there. They do come out. I find it a lot easier using my tools at home because I knock it out in no time. But the thing about it is, I'm not at home, so unfortunately, gotta use the tools in the truck. And it's not as efficient as the tools at home. So let me see here. Yep. There we go. Okay, there we go. Hey! So I got one open, guys. I'm gonna finish getting this broke down. All right, guys, got everything broke down here, man. Just want to come back and show you guys the finishing products. You know, go forward here. I'm gonna pretty much started cutting carpet off of it, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna get this stuff thrown on off and get on out of here. A little piece of metal I broke off of here. There go the other ones right there. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. There go a little piece of carpet there. So I'm gonna get all this stuff thrown off of here, man. I got about 5 or 6 minutes, so I'm gonna get this stuff thrown off of here, man, and call it a day. You guys have a blessed week, man. I know I don't film on Friday no more. Pretty much a light day, and so I pretty much just take that day to enjoy, man. So you guys be blessed this weekend. Be safe out there, man. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Peace.